How to merge PDF files into one zip file. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome application, and after coming here, you have to search on Google PDF files to zip. From here, you need to click on this website smallseotools.com. As soon as you click on it, you have to click on upload file here. When you click on it, you need to select whichever PDF files you have. After selecting, you can see here that both of my files have appeared here. They have been selected. Now, after that, you need to scroll down and click on the convert to zip option. Here you can see that the conversion of your PDF files into a zip file is complete. From here, you just need to click on download. As soon as you click on download, your zip file will be downloaded in just a few moments. Now, as you can see, it has already been downloaded for me. Now I will open it here, and you can see that the multiple PDF files we had have now been converted into a single zip file. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon.